In the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful, I pay salute to you with an Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, as in my previous videos, I've talked about the computer, types of computer, and much other things. So today I'm going to talk about a simple thing. What is network? In network, we are having some kind of networks. We will just talk about that. First is LAN and the second one is WAN. Before going to the topic, first we will talk about the network. What network is? Network by itself is taken from two words, like net and work. Everybody know what work is. Work is work. Everyone can do a work. But net is taken from a net. Suppose we everyone know that what net is. This is a net, okay? A net. Now, at the moment, you are watching my video through the net, and that's a network. So, in network, we are having two kinds of network. One is LAN, and then the second one is WAN. First, we will just explain what LAN is and what WAN is, and then we will go briefly in the discussion. LAN stands for Local Area Network. And what WAN stands for, that is Wide Area Network. Stop. Okay, so this is the first one and this is the second one. Now, as we know from the names, local area network. Local means in a small area, local. And wide and broad area. So, suppose you are working in an office. So, there are many computers there. Suppose this is an office and we are having a computer here, okay? This is a computer. This is the computer. This is the computer. Okay. When all these computers connect together with each other, there is a point where they are connected all together. This Mr. A, B, C. Mr. A can send the information to Mr. C, Mr. B as well. Mr. B can send information to Mr. A and Mr. C. So, this is a kind of connection. So, this is called LAN. L-A-N. This is called LAN. Local Area Network. It works in a simple area. For example, there is a school. In school, there are computers which are connected with each other. This is called LAN. Now, coming to the Wide Area Network or WAN. What's WAN? I'm not really good in the maps, but it's okay. Suppose it is a map or word. On the word, okay? There is a computer, he is just connected to it. There is also a computer who is connected to it. There is a school who is connected to it, to a computer. There is another office or a body who is just chatting with someone on a video call or audio call. Many. There are many. All of these are computers. They are connected with each other. In the whole world, there are bundle of computers. They are connected with each other and they are talking with each other at the time. So this is called Wide Area Network. This is called Wide Area Network. So the difference between LAN and WAN is that LAN is we use LAN in a local area network in a small area, and the WAN we are using broad. Like in the whole world, there are a lot of computers, a lot of telephone devices, Wi-Fi devices. All they are used for what? For the internet. So that's called WAN. So this was my short video about LAN and WAN. If you have any question in these things, so just write a comment down. And if you are still here on our videos, So try to support us. Subscribe our channel and share our videos. Thanks.
د لا نورو ښو ویډیوګانو لپاره زموږ چینل افغان لمټک سبسکرایب کړئ.